Hi everyone, my name is Gracie, and this video is part of a tutorial series for Maine Library's Innovation Lab and Maker Lab equipment. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this Silhouette Cameo cutting machine today. Before we get into how to use it, let's go over some basic safety rules. While the Cameo is on, do not put your hand in the machine or grab the material or moving parts. And be aware of your surroundings. We don't want anyone to trip over wires, bump into anyone, or have some other accident. Now, let's talk about some of the features of Cameo. To look at the inside of the machine, place your fingers under the lid here and carefully lift the lid up. In the machine, you have the blade, which can be loosened or tightened with this knob here, and you have another lever on the right here to tighten and loosen the bar that holds your material. On the right, you have arrows and an enter button to select things, the power button at the bottom right, and the pause button at the bottom left. Finally, you have a USB port on the far right side of the machine beside the power cord. To start your project, you will have to have the correct Silhouette software called Silhouette Studio. This holds any projects you're working on and has the canvas on which you create and edit your designs. For this demonstration, we're going to do some simple vinyl letter cutting. When you open Silhouette Studio, it should automatically open in the Design tab. Now, select the text tool here on the left, click anywhere on the canvas, and type what you want it to say. You can change many of the design settings in the toolbar at the top of the screen, or you can select different information tabs on the right to edit your design. Once you're finished creating and moving your design, select Send in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and connect the Cameo to your computer by USB and turn the Cameo on. It should show as connected in the bottom right corner of your computer screen. When you open the Cameo door, you will see some instructions on how to load your material and the blade. First, you will use the lever on the right side to loosen the roller and place your material under it. Then, tighten the lever again and load your material with the buttons on the machine. Depending on your material, you will need to choose a blade. For this demonstration, we just need a regular blade. On the side of the blade is an arrow, and closer to the blade is a red mark. Make sure these are aligned by twisting the bottom of the blade with the gray cap provided. Finally, you can place the blade into the Cameo machine. Make sure on your computer screen you select how you want your material cut and what material you're cutting. Once you have done that, select Send in the bottom right corner of your screen. Remember, do not put your hands on the mat or inside of the machine while it is cutting. When it is finished cutting your design, unload your mat and gently pull your design from the mat. And there you have your Cameo cut design. When you are completely finished, remember to exit the Silhouette Studio, close the door of the Cameo by pushing it down, and turn off the machine. If you have any questions, you can contact me, Gracie, at the information below. Or you can look at the Silhouette Cameo Manual through this website. Thanks for watching. Happy making!